Welcome back to my channel. It's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. If you are new here, welcome. Today we have a hot and spicy recipe. We have a quick and easy no cook pepper sauce. Let's get into it. So here we have our pepper sauce. I'm having it with my arepa de chococolo. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's my previous recipe you can go check out. And the flavors have just mellowed out. It's perfect. The serrano, the jalapeno, the bell pepper. Perfect. I do have a tropical hot sauce, like one that I would cook, coming up very soon. I hope you give this one a try. Let me know what type of peppers do you use at home to make your own pepper sauces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed.